So today I was working on one of our patients who grinds his teeth quite a bit. Because he's been grinding his teeth, he's chipped quite a few of them, and so we wanted to not only restore them to make them stronger, but also make them look nicer. We also went ahead and took impressions for a night guard afterwards so that he has something to wear at nights to protect his teeth when he is grinding. So if you notice over here, the patient had chipped all his anterior teeth quite a bit from all the grinding and clenching. And we went ahead and we bonded the teeth, and we just added to the tooth structure, making it look nicer and also protecting the teeth, making them thicker and stronger. And we even did the bottom teeth. And then afterwards, we took an impression, and we are now making a night guard for him, so he'll be coming back to pick that up. He was very happy with the bite and the cosmetics. And that's what we do when we treat teeth that have been chipped or broken.